This has been, I believe, my best trip ever. Kasi grabing experiences natin. I'm not sure when again natin ma-experience yung mga bagay na na-experience natin in this trip. Minanifest lang natin yung libreng Korea trip. And it finally happened this year. Ayun, parang tanga. Kung i-judge kung napanood yung last vlog ko na kumakain tayo sa Yugan eh. Tapos ganito pa rin yung suot ko. So this is our last day. Shucks! Last day in Korea. Wait, yung sinabi ko this our last day in Korea, nag-flashback sa akin, October 10, when we met our K-creator friends for the first time from other countries. Alam mo yung chills na, nag-flashback nung sinabi kong it's our last day. 1, 2, 3. Mabuhay, Philippines! Kamsahamnida! Yeah, long live. Long live. Long live.
And now, sir?
I love it. And yeah, it has been a really fulfilling trip. Hectic but fulfilling. And then nag-extend naman tayo dito sa Seoul ng ilang araw. Very lang yon, relax, chill trip. Mag-isa lang tayo. Ang gagawin ko lang ay I think gusto ko pang pumunta sa Unpyong, Hanok Village.
Pero, Kern, ilang oras yun? Di ba malayo yun?
Feeling ko wag na. Itatay ko ba? Wag na. Ganito ako ka-indecisive.
Pero kasi ang ganda ng transportation dito, so maabot eh. No?
Baka naman. Tapos, yun, baka naman kaya pa. Tingnan ko yung oras later. Tapos lunch with my teammates and then uwi na. Uwi na pa airport. Saan mo binook yung SIM mo?
Actually, yung boyfriend ko yung
Saklok. Ay, saklok. Okay, Hazel, I'm happy that I spent my last night with you.
Yeah!
Ambulance. Ang ganda dito kasi ambulance dire-diretso lang. Sa area na to walang traffic. First time ko makita ng ambulance na ganun yung takbo dito sa Korea. Iuwi ko to sa Pilipinas, guys. Remembrance of the autumn season here in Korea. Ganun lang trip ko sa buhay. Mamulot ng leaf as a sentimental person. Tapos ginagawang display. This is actually, I think, the best, not just I think, this has been the best Korean trip ever. If not the best among all the trips that I've had. Yeah, I think this is the best one na trip ever. Diba? Sa ilang beses na pag-ibang bansa natin. Itong Korea trip na to. Yung pinaka sentimental for me. Kasi we got to meet beautiful people, beautiful inside and out ng mga tao. Check out lang natin, guys. Yan, nag-withdraw tayo, guys, ng 20,000 won. May 6,000 won na fee. I hope it works. Confirm. Okay, it worked. Hey, asan yung cash? It's here! Finally! Pa-reload na tayo ng T-Money card here. Alright, so we're back in Hongdae area and my heart is full, my stomach is full because we were able to eat with our teammates. I-separate vlog ko yon, yung experience natin with my teammates. Okay, para at least mas mahaba-habang vlog for that experience. Ano pala, delayed pala yung flight ko. Nag-email sa akin yung Korean Air. It's because may typhoon sa Philippines. So my gosh. Okay na yun. Actually, carry lang naman na delayed siya. Kesa naman sa i-risk natin yung buhay natin just to push the flight. So, kung mag-cancel, chinat ko si Hazel na just in case ma-cancel siya tapos ma-move kinabukasan. Kung mag-cancel siguro yung Korean Air, mag-provide naman siguro silang hotel, di ba? At may insurance naman tayo. Salamat sa Korea Tourism Organization. We have an insurance. Grabe yung bagyo. I hope di ganun ka-devastating yung typhoon. This is Hongdae area pa rin ata to. Hapjeong area. So, nilakad lang natin. Gamit ulit natin ay Google Maps. Okay? Ganda ng Seoul. Like, every day, it's like my first day. Kapag nasa isang bansa talaga ako, in-immerse ko yung sarili ko. And I tend to be more appreciative of the things around me. It's not every day that we're in Seoul. You know? Tinanong actually tayo kanina ng teammates natin if I'd like to work abroad. Definitely me, it's one of my goals to work abroad. Kasi we've been traveling, diba? Tapos I feel like working abroad, it's the peak growth. Working overseas. Independence, diba? Being in a different country, different culture, getting to meet new people. Kaya yung goal ko sa buhay ay makapag-work abroad kahit ilang taon lang, then go back to the Philippines or depende. But I don't think I'll work here in Seoul or somewhere na iba yung language kasi mahihirapan ako. Sabi ko rin sa kanila kanina, sa teammates ko. Seoul, I don't think I'll work here. It's just for travels. Look. It's giving Halloween. Pa-Halloween na, guys. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Magpasalubong run tayo ng very quickly. Uy, antaray. May nagfi-film dito. Ano kaya yan? Sailor Moon. May nakakilala ba sa kanya? Look, ito vintage clothing store. Malapit lang sa hotel natin. I mean guest house. Oh, this is nice. Pasok lang tayo saglit. Tingnan lang natin yung mga damit dito. Ang ganda nito. I love this. How much is this? 18,000 won. I love. Ganda ng damit. So, nakita ko yung ibang prices. Ito, 45,000 won. Ito, 180,000 won. Ganda. Yun yung pinaka-nice na nakita ko dito. Let's go. Ito, 5,000 won. Magkano yung 5,000 won? 208 pesos, 5,000 won. Tara. May converter talaga tayo, guys, na app. It's called Currency. Okay? Nice. Ganda. 10,000 won. Mga vintage. This is Hongdae at 2 p.m. Mga parating pa lang siguro yun. Pauwi na tayo, parating pa lang sila. More shops in Hongdae. Daming photo booth dito. Kahit alas 12 dito, guys, ng madaling araw, dami pa rin bukas. I'll miss walking here. Wino-walk through ko lang kayo, guys, sa mga kasulok-sulukan ng Hongdae. May piatos, guys, oh. And this. 500. 500. Mga 20 plus yan. Ito, masarap to. Yung Korean cookie. So, 2,000, mga 80 pesos yan. Yes. Tingin pa tayo sa loob. Oh, ito naka-seal. Honey butter almond. Ito, 146 pesos. I think okay na ito pampasalubong, no? Ganito. Only in Korea. 3.5. More pampasalubong. Alright. Ito na lang siguro, no? 10,000 won. Ito na lang kunin natin, guys. Around 540 pesos. Tapos 25 pieces. Parang bet ko to. Dalawang 2,001. So, dalawang ganito. 2,000. So, around 84. 84 times 2. Shucks. Medyo bubit me sa math.
Do you need that?
Sorry? Yeah. I need a bag. So, 100 won. So, card yung gamit natin, guys. Hindi cash. Dito tayo bumili. Definitely, for sure, may mas mura pa mga bilihan dito ng pasalubong. Pero as usual, nagmamadala tayo. Quick pasalubong run lang for our friends and family. I find joy in giving, pasalubong. Although hindi naman ganun kadami. Pero it's just nice to give sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. It's simple lang, diba? Maalala ka lang. Kasi I feel the same kapag binibigyan ako ng gift. Like, from ibang bansa. Like, naalala ako ng taong to. So, I feel valued. And I want people I love to feel that way. Diba? That they are valued. My flight is at 7 p.m. It's already exactly 3 p.m. So, bilisan na natin maglakad papunta sa guest house natin. Kasi sabi ng Korean friends ko, I should be leaving like before 4. Actually, ideal talaga, nasa airport na tayo 4 hours before our flight. So, mag-a-Arex lang tayo. Arex from Hongik University Station, I think 10,000 won. Pwede nyo lang i-reload yung T-Money card ninyo. T-Money card din gagamitin natin sa pag-tap. Okay, for the Arex. Let's go! Train is coming, guys. So, T-Money card lang yung gamit natin. T-Money card. May pinapawisan ako, guys. Minadali talaga natin to. So, this is Incheon International Airport 2. Dito tayo sasakay ng ating eroplano. Requirements lang naman ay e-travel. Yun. Of course, our boarding pass and passport. Period. Yun lang. So, tara, guys. Ganito na yung check-in dito, guys. I mean, bag drop. So, yung flight natin, it's Korean Air. Ayan, nakakasosyal yung Korean Air. So, nag-online check-in tayo. Pag online check-in, mas mabilis. Papapasukin ka agad nila. And then, magbabag drop doon sa loob. Pwede namang nasa phone lang yung ating boarding pass. Yung chinek nila ay yung QR code na boarding pass. QR code sa boarding pass. Yun. Ang ganda, guys, ng airport nung Korea, no? Napakaganda. Punta na tayo sa immigration. Where is the way going to immigration? Para sa mga nag-shopping dyan, ayan, guys. May tax refund area doon. Ito na, pasok na tayo sa immigration. Mahaba yung pila, guys, pero mabilis naman. Ganda, oh. Wow. We're leaving. This has been my longest trip in Korea. 14 days? 14 days ba? From 10 to 23. Today's 23. And we're leaving. Ayun, may aeroplano. I go. So, this has been, I believe, my best trip ever. Kasi grabing experiences natin. I'm not sure when again natin ma-experience yung mga bagay na na-experience natin in this trip. From the 10-day KTO trip to my solo trip. Ayun, parang tanga. yun, ba't ako nagpo-post? Overwhelmed lang ako sa mga nangyari sa atin in the past few weeks, past days, because it's something that I never really expect that will happen to me real soon. Kasi minanifest lang natin yung libreng Korea trip before, like libreng trip, not just Korea but in general, libreng trip as a travel vlogger. And it finally happened. I'm very much thankful for this experience. Nakalipad tayo sa Korea for free. We got to meet new people. And on our last day, we got to meet our teammates at work, colleagues. Si Hazel na napakabait. And many more people na na-meet natin along the way. The K-creators from all over the world. They really created an impact. Minsan naiyak na lang tayo habang nasa bus. Dahil everything just feels surreal. Ayun. So I hope guys, na-enjoy nyo, na isama ko kayo sa journey natin in this very long, for me very long to, na Korea trip. Sana magkita-kita ulit tayo dito soon. I want to be back very soon. Korea is just my favorite country. I feel at home here. I feel alive whenever I'm in Korea. So yun, our last day. This is Dave guys, the Korea Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye! Hello, ate! Jindra. Tagalawaan ka gyap, ate?
No, she's from Borongan.
Borongan. At least taga Samar.
Tacloban gihap.
Tacloban. Oh, no, VNG kami.
Yes.
Wait, phase 4. Phase 4, phase 2. Ay, phase 3 extension. Okay, leto ate. Borongan ka na work. Wait.
Makilala ka na ha.
Oo, add ko daw ka mga Facebook. Wait lang, para di ko makalimtan.
Sige.
First time ko makakita ng Tagalawaan. Incheon Airport. Sige, add na lang ate. Oh my gosh. Ay, talaga. Excuse me, good morning. Can I get the heart?